Today I will tell you how to create a program for working with MetaTrader 5 in Python. First we need to create a file main.py. Then we need to install the MetaTrader 5 library. To do this, we write pip install MetaTrader 5 to the console. We are waiting for the installation. Then you need to import MetaTrader 5 into the project as num5. Next, I import from the file key, py login and password variables. But you can in the main file itself. Py create these variables and put the login in them. And password. Next, we need to register our server, which will be accessed by MetaTrader 5. I have alpha4x. Now initialize num5. Login. Let's create an array with the necessary pairs for which we need to get information. In my case, there should be an arf postscript at the end of each pair. Now we need to iterate through the array with pairs. We write all for each character in the array. We are creating a variable symbol info. And in it we will have all the information on the symbol from MetaTrader 5. Let's output the result to the console. Let's launch our project. He will open our MetaTrader 5. You can collapse it and see the data about our pairs in the console. But if the pair has not been added to the MetaTrader, it needs to be added. We make a check and add it in the absence of a pair. Now let's only ask for the buy price for a certain symbol and the sell price for a certain symbol. Let's create a variable in which we will put the symbol, the purchase price, and the sale price. Output the result to the console and run the script. As a result, at launch, we see the purchase and sale prices for the symbols we need.